The pricing for residential network system installation in Texas can vary. General installation costs can be broken down into a few categories. Firstly, a basic network installation, which includes CAT5E or CAT6 cabling, wall jacks, and a patch panel, typically ranges from $1,000 to $2,000. Secondly, a medium-sized installation, which may include additional rooms or power over Ethernet lighting, generally costs between $2,000 and $3,000. Thirdly, a large-scale installation, involving multiple floors or complex wiring, can range from $3,000 to $5,000 or more. For SpeedWrap cable installation, which includes 2 fiber optic cables, 2 phone lines, and 2 television cables, the cost is approximately $1.50 to $2.50 per foot. This pricing usually includes the cost of the cable connectors and termination. Electrical wiring for network components is another factor to consider. The cost for electrical wiring typically ranges from $100 to $200 per outlet. This includes the cost of materials, labor, and any necessary permits. Several additional factors can influence the overall cost. Firstly, location, as rates may differ depending on the specific city or county within Texas. Secondly, complexity, where custom configurations or additional services can increase the cost. Thirdly, materials, as the type of cable and connectors used will impact the overall cost. Fourthly, labor, the experience and skill level of the installer can also affect the price. Here are some tips for pricing these jobs. 1. Obtain multiple quotes from reputable installers to ensure you are getting a competitive price. 2. Carefully consider the complexity of the installation and the materials that will be required. 3. Remember to factor in the cost of any necessary electrical work. 4. Be transparent with clients regarding budget and expectations to avoid misunderstandings. 5. Negotiate a fair price that meets both the client's needs and the installer's requirements.